What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Running Tactical, and we back with another one. Wait, I can't say that. I ain't dropped the other video. But today, we're going to be talking about my Glock 19. But yes, man, today is the day we have graduated from doing shorts and now doing full videos. So if you've been subscribed, I appreciate you. If you're coming from Instagram, I appreciate you for motivating me to go ahead and do full videos. But let's jump into this bad boy right here, man. So I got a 508T Hollison in green. I pick up the green real good on this, man. I've been rocking with Hollison since they first came out. So yeah, I really dig this. For y'all boys that's been rocking with Trigicon and now y'all want to jump on the Hollison boat, I ain't gonna say nothing. You secret safe with me, but just know I know.
My nigga.
But anyway, I got the night vision sights, the suppressor height. They do glow in the dark. They co-witness with this optic very well. Got a Parker mount comp on. That's a game changer, bro. I have to say this is a game changer, man. I haven't ran the Ramjet Radiant Afterburner, but I heard there's not too big of a difference between the two. I got a Zev Dragonfly slide. Let me see. I got a stippling job on here, man. I got the Timney trigger in here. I did have a few issues with this trigger. I had to polish the trigger housing, and then I put another firing pin in here. So that's really why we're here today, to see how well this runs now after doing those modifications. I got a TLR1 on here.
2 hours later.
The Candela on here. I do like the lumens too. And then Magwell and SLR +5 base pad. So we're gonna see how well she ran today. We're gonna take it slow. We're gonna do a few shots, just drawing from the holster, and it's gonna take it real slow, and then we're gonna add a shot timer with it. I forgot how smooth this thing runs, man. I did. Let's go take a look at the hits. So, grouping pretty decent, man. Like I said, just drawing, taking it slow, just finding the dot, and squeeze and bang. Alright, so now we got the shot timer. Just gonna put a little toast to it to see what the Ferrari engine talking about one time. Got 131. Bad. One 136, so it's a little slower. .106. Let's take a look at the hits. So you see, you know, the grouping is a little scattered, but it's a cold start, man. I ain't been to the range in about a month, so I'm gonna get it tightened up and we'll warm up a little bit.
Man, there you go with that bullshit.
gonna do a mag change. That's 126 with a mag change. Got an O2 split. Not bad. First shot was a 124. I'll take it. Alright, so now I'm gonna give y'all a different perspective. As you can see, I got the GoPro on here. So I'm gonna see how this work out. I ain't never tried this one before, so we'll see what it do, man. Try to give y'all like two different views. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're gonna look at them hits. So mind y'all, this is from those times earlier, and just a different perspective of the GoPro view. So not too bad, man, not too bad considering I couldn't see the dot. I'm gonna do a build drill now. You know, I have a time that I'm trying to beat, and I don't see me being able to do it today. Hey man, hold on. Whew. Okay, my bad, my camera died. Man, it is hot out here for real. But like I said, man, we finna jump into a build drill. For those who don't know what a build drill is, it's 6 shots on target. The fastest time I have done is a 167. I'm gonna try to beat it today, man. I cannot guarantee that. Like I said, I ain't been to the range in a while, but no excuses, right? So see what we can do. Let's see. 168. So not too bad, man, on the first time. Let me see. My fastest split was a 02. I'll take it. Let's run it back. I have enough in there. 163. So maybe maybe I am doing a little better than I thought, man. Let's go check these hits out, bro, because I know that's what y'all care about most. As you should, man. That's what matters most in this. So I already seen it, man. And lawsuit, I am going to jail. I'm gonna hit that neck, but everything else, bro, all up here. So I'll take that, man. 163 on the build drill. All right, now I'm gonna give you some slow-mo footage of what that comp do with 115 grain. All right, so what do I think about this Glock 19? I love it, man. The only thing I do not like about this gun, and I'm gonna end up changing it, is this slide is Has no serrations except at the rear. So, of course, like I said, I'm in Texas, and that's not gonna work out for me, man. But other than that, man, she's a Ferrari. She is flat. She is all that and then some. But hey, man, my time is up. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. And I promise this content will get better. So hang in there with me. Run it tactical, be safe. I'm out.